let's take a look at how to borrow and place holds on items in the Libby app. So from my Android device screen, I'm going to hit Libby, and this will work on Apple devices as well. And from my bottom navigation, once I'm in the Libby app, we can see that I'm in the search section and I've looked up Stephen King. So I can browse through the list and I found something I want to place a hold on, It by Stephen King. So I can do that from the search results, or I can click into the item and it'll bring up a little bit more information. So it's going to give us things like a description, and down below it has copy information. So 0 of 1 available. So we know that there is 1 copy available, or 1 copy that Track currently owns through Libby, but it is not available at the moment. Now, if we go back up, we can hit place hold. And that's going to bring us to this screen. So it's going to give us an image of the item. It's going to give us which library card we're using to borrow that item. And this is important if you have multiple library cards registered onto a single Libby app or single Libby account. And then place hold. So I've selected my library card and I'm going to hit place hold. All right, so it's saying that the hold has been placed, and then it's going to give us the option to adjust any notifications, whether that's through email, letting us know when it is available so we can come back to the Libby app and download the ebook or eAudiobook to our device. Now I'm going to go back to our search results screen and we're going to borrow something that is immediately available. So let's find something to borrow. Here we go. Firestarter by Stephen King. And this time I'm going to borrow it from the search results page. So I'm going to hit borrow. It's going to bring up a similar screen. It's going to have the image, which library card, and I'll hit borrow. And what happens with borrowed items is that as soon as you have borrowed it, it's going to immediately start downloading to your device. And that's indicated by this icon in the bottom left here. So once the circle goes all the way around, it's officially downloaded to your device, and it brings up this little library card image with the check mark. Okay, so we can go back to our search results and search for more items. There we go. But let's say we want to read this book that we just borrowed. I'm going to come back down to our navigation and I'm going to click this little stack of books here. Okay, this is going to bring up a list of all the items we currently have loaned out, and it lists them by ebook and also by eAudiobook. If we want to look at the holds we've placed, we can click the holds tab in the top here. But in order to read or listen to the item we have borrowed, we're going to click either open in Libby for eBooks or open audiobook for eAudiobooks. So I'm going to click open in Libby. It's going to bring up the title and then load so I can start flipping through and enjoying the book.